This is Pioneer's DEH-S7200BHS. This is an in-1-DIN AM/FM CD receiver with built-in HD radio and built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. The DEH-S7200BHS is compatible with Pioneer's Smart Sync app. The Smart Sync app intelligently brings maps, messages, and music together in your vehicle. When using the Pioneer Smart Sync app, the DEH-S7200BHS features a 31-band EQ. The DEH-S7200BHS is designed to work with your Android phone and your iPhone. It's compatible with both Pandora and Spotify operating through your phone. It can play back MP3 and FLAC music files from a USB flash drive, and it works with SiriusXM satellite radio. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. All right, we'll just flip this up and pop this open here. First thing we get is the wire harness. So this is the electrical wire harness that we'll use to make all of the electrical connections from the in-dash receiver over to the vehicle. Those connections include things like power and ground and speaker connections. All of the electrical connections are made through this. Next up, we have some 1-DIN radio removal tools and some install screws. We got a small bag of tools there. And then we have the Bluetooth microphone. So the Bluetooth microphone here is used for making hands-free Bluetooth phone calls, and it comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for a very flexible installation. Let's open the flap, and we can get the, here's the quick start guide. So here's the quick start guide, but please remember you can download a complete copy of the owner's manual in PDF form right to your cell phone from pioneerelectronics.com, and you can find a link to that owner's manual in the description for the video below. And finally is the warranty card. There's the warranty card. All right, now let's pull the receiver up out of here. There it is. The front panel of the DEH-S7200BHS has the large rotary volume knob right here. Use this button to activate Pioneer's dynamic bass enhancer system. When using the Pioneer Smart Sync app, the navigation button here will activate your favorite nav app on your phone for turn-by-turn instructions. Use this button to make and receive hands-free Bluetooth phone calls. The CD slot is across the top. Radio station presets for the built-in HD radio tuner are here across the bottom. The auxiliary port is here. The system features multicolor illumination. The USB port here can be used to charge your phone and play back MP3 or FLAC music files from a USB flash drive. And of course, detachable face security. On the back panel of the DEH-S7200BHS, the AM/FM and HD radio antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. The optional SXV300 tuner from SiriusXM will plug in right here. The wire harness connected to the vehicle will plug in right here. The Pioneer DEH-S7200BHS has a built-in amplifier designed to operate with up to 4 speakers in your vehicle. The black jack on top here is to plug in the Bluetooth microphone included with the in-dash receiver. The one on the bottom is for operating your steering wheel controls through a third-party adapter. And here are 3 sets of 4-volt RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers. They can be set up as front, rear, and subwoofer outputs, or for more control and better sound quality, high, mid, and low outputs. And that is Pioneer's DEH-S7200BHS and what's in the box.